Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is the 2022 range from Rapido 866F. This video is going to be done in 3 minutes, under 3 minutes. And so how much it costs, don't know. You'll have to see the longer film. There will be a link below should you want to see a longer film. One thing that Rapido is now doing in just about everything, it's only given 2 burners. What's the advantage? It means you can get 2 pans of a large size on there. Right, let's go to the back. German layout, nice big wardrobe down here, and there's space on the other side as well. Look at all that stacks of space there for the wardrobe. That's very nice. And if you can't be bothered to open it that way, you can also get into it via this, I believe. Yes, you can. Should have checked that before saying, but yes, you can. Right, if you don't want to sleep with the person you're with, you take the thing out. Well, it's a German layout. You've seen it before. Plugs, oh, that's for the television. And if you can close this off here as well. Look at that, isn't that good? See yourself in the mirror. Door closes like this, as does the other one as well. That gives you a bit of a look around. In here you've got central locking, so let's unlock the... Oh, were unlocked. Let's lock them. So now they're locked. Can't open this. But if I unlock it, I can. Face to face layout. Fiat Ducato. And the cost of this, I don't know. Integrated. Well, I can guess how much. I'm pretty good at guessing how much these things will cost actually, but I don't want to, just to be on the safe side. So please see the longer video if you're interested. Link below, and the 2022 version as well. I'll try and get a link below as well, and it might be an older version, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. Thanks very much for watching. Rapido 866F here at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf.